thank you very much. Pinataba ko ang puso ko. Kaya na, naiiyak na ito. Pero parang touch. Maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. So happy to see you all. Cory, when you showed that video, I passed it on. The reaction was tremendous. There was a comment, oh, wow, si Cory, I will go. And I don't know what to say, but I'm very thankful to Doc Ayong for doing this and lifting my personality and everything. Maybe I'll touch on something later on, but I'll just shorten it because I'll give you all one book. Wow. And it's all there anyway. Okay? Thank you very much for coming.
Okay ka ng picture yung may manok.
Sir, hanap ko mga tulong mo may manok.